Southern Champion Trays catering line offers portable and sturdy products for a variety of catering needs. For hot or cold beverages, we have our 3-gallon Big Kahuna carafe or our 96-ounce carafes. For meals, we offer several kinds of trays, such as stackable transport and serving trays, square trays with flared edges and large windows, and our convertible tray with a pop-up lid where you can display your own message or design. We also offer a large catering barn that fits 2 half-size steam pans or 50 pieces of chicken, a super side container with a microwavable tub, and our Fiber Pack lunchbox, which is made from 100% recycled board. Most of our catering items require assembly, so see our YouTube channel for instructions. All of our catering products are made from corrugated cardboard and are recyclable where facilities exist. See our online catalog for more information.